What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect outfit grid for your Instagram. But before we do that, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and if you want to get in touch with me outside of YouTube, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram right here. So if you are into streetwear, you should know what an outfit grid is. But if you don't worry, I'm gonna help you out with that. So an outfit grid is showing off your fit without having it on your body. What you do is you pick an outfit, you lay it on the ground nice and proper. You know, you don't just want to throw it around, you want to fold it up nice and neat. You snap a quick little picture of it and then you have an outfit grid. If you still don't get it, let's go ahead and go over to the Outfit Grid's Instagram and show you some examples. So here you have the Outfit Grid's Instagram page. Has a really nice following. Let's go ahead and dive into some of these fits that I like, and then we'll get some inspiration and then we'll make our own. So if you scroll down, you'll see this picture right here. I definitely like this fit. And if you click on the photo, they usually tag the pieces, which is very nice if you want to pick up some of the pieces that you see here. So as you can see here, we have the Fear of God bomber jacket, which is super clean. You have the Tokyo shirt. You have the John Elliott Co sweatpants. And to top it off, I believe those are the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. Here's another fit that I really like. You have the Good For Nothing jacket. You have the orange Supreme box logo. You have some shattered backboard Jordan 1s. Now for the pants, there's no ID on the pants. They didn't tag it. So I'm assuming they look like some H&M pants from the tag, but I could be wrong. Now here's another fit that I really like. Super fire pieces. You have the Rude t-shirt. You have the Raf Simons pants and the Nike Off-White Air Maxes. Really clean, really simple fit. So by now you get the gist of what the outfit grids consist of. It's basically just fits along a nice plain background. That's really all it is. So now that you understand what an outfit grid is, let's go ahead, get into the closet, pick out an outfit and do one of our own. So if you've seen my last video, I believe it was the What Would I Wear to Astroworld, the Travis Scott concert, which by the way was insane. But if you've seen that video, I have one of the outfits here. But if you haven't seen that video, then this outfit would be new to you. So for the top, I'm gonna go with this Urban Outfitters yellow flannel right here, really clean. Underneath that flannel, I'm gonna have this Mint Crew Misfits t-shirt. For the jeans, I'm gonna have the Fear of God Essential Denim. For the sneakers, I'm just gonna have these Yeezy 700. Wish they were the Wave Runners, but they are just the Yeezy Wavs. Not that I don't love the sneaker, I just wish I had the Wave Runners, but that's besides the point. So let's go ahead and make this outfit grid. All right guys, so we have our fit right here. We have to lay it out, but this red carpet I could use, but I don't think it's gonna work too well with the outfit. So I'm gonna remove this and just use the hardwood floor, which I think is a better look. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So just like that, we have the hardwood floor to work with. Let's go ahead and lay this fit out. So we have a blank slate to work with. You want to lay the clothes out how it would look like on your body, if that makes sense. I'll give you an example. So if you have a layering piece like I do, you want to start off with this and lay it out. So that's good to start out with. Let's go ahead and put the t-shirt underneath the flannel, just like how you would wear it. So now that you have the tops, let's go ahead and get to the jeans. Now you can either have them long ways or just have them folded to the side. I think I'm gonna have them folded to the side just for this video. Okay, so change of plans. I was gonna fold them, but I think having them long ways looks best. Now let's go ahead and get the sneakers. Now I have the sneakers placed. You can really place the sneakers however you want. They don't have to be like this. So now that it's complete, let's go ahead and snap a picture of this. So now that you have the fit ready, you want to get a nice aerial view of it. I mean, do what you got to do, but I'm going to stand on this chair, take a snapshot with my phone. So let's do that right now. So now that you got your phone out, go ahead and get a snapshot of this picture. Like I said, try to get a nice aerial view. Snap. Take a couple because you never know what'll turn out good or what. All right, guys, so now we're going to edit this photo. Some people like to leave it raw. You can if you want. For me, I like to edit them. So I have it in the Visco cam. Now we're going to edit it. So for the filter, I'm going to give it like a C8. Gives like a teal bluish tint. We can put that down to like maybe 3.3. That's fine. You can mess with this if you want to. You don't have to follow me. Lightness, darkness. I'll lighten it up a bit. 1.1. Sharpen, you can sharpen it if you want. I like to do like a 7.7, that's fine. Saturation, you can mess with that. I'm gonna leave that alone. Tone, highlights, I'm gonna put that, I'll put that up. Shadows, I'll leave that alone. Actually, let's go back to the tone. Let's put that down to like a 2.5. White balance, you can mess with that, make it cooler, make it warmer. Should I make it cooler, warm? I'm gonna give it like a warm feel. 1.3 is fine. Grain, you can do grain if you want. Don't go overboard with it. I'll do like a 1.3. HSL, I'm gonna leave that alone. This is good for now. Let's go ahead and save this to our camera roll. Now I know it's not a major difference, but it is a little difference and that's what matters. So let's go ahead and import this to our Instagram and I'm gonna show you how to caption it and tag it and all that. So you can caption this picture whatever you want. I'm not the best with captions, so I'm just gonna give it like a little emoji. Throw up, that's fine. So you want to tag Outfitgrid, and you can also tag whatever other streetwear pages you want. Just a few right here, just type in streetwear fashion, the streetwear company. You can also tag Outfit Society is a good idea. You can also tag Fear of God Essentials, that's what the pants are. You can tag Easy Boost if you want. Since the flannel is Urban Outfitters, you can tag Urban Outfitters. And lastly, we'll do Mint Crew because that is the t-shirt. So just do all that, click done. Then you can share it, and 9 times out of 10 they'll repost it and tag you, which is good for your Instagram growth. So there you have it, guys. It's as simple as that. Simple, clean Outfitgrid. Another reason I like Outfitgrids is that you don't have to wear the pieces yourself. Like say you have a pair of sneakers that you want to sell as dead stock, but you want to get a picture off on your Instagram first. And Outfitgrid is a great way to do that because you don't have to wear the sneakers. They won't show any signs of wear. Now, another thing that I like about Outfitgrids is that it introduces you to new pieces that you've never seen before. You also get an idea of how some people will style it and how you can make your own version of it. Now, another thing I like about Outfitgrids is that they're not like one-sided. You can go really high end with it. Like this picture right here, you have the Palm Angels long sleeve, you have the John Elliott Co shorts and the Balenciagas. Or you can just go really chill and basic in a good way. Like this fit right here. You have the Forever 21 striped t-shirt, you have the Brad Jordan 1s, you have Stan socks, Supreme camp cap with the Zara pants and the Supreme side bag. So they're not really like one side where you have to have a specific style to get featured on their page, which is really awesome because not everyone has the same budget. So it's really personal style and what you like. But that's gonna wrap it up for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to help me out, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching if you watched up to this point, and I will see you guys in the next video.